sorry, this is our Spring. Okay, get it. Next. Why we need Flex access a Spring? In scenario where we have remoting as such, we are going to use remote object for communication, not the HTTP or web service for communications. From Flex to communicate with the server, we can use remoting HTTP web service or the local net connection. Remoting is the best of everything because this uses the binary communication done between server and client, which means it's faster enough than any other provided base. And in the case when we are going to use remoting with database management services, it requires and it enables tightest integration with the Spring. There is no need to transform the data which exposes to the services. Flex application works directly with the beans registered on the Spring. Means in the case which Satish Balaji has shown you, he has shown you like each and every service have the separate beans. It's flex.samples.products.java. That's a bean that has to be mentioned on a particular place and that has to be linked. It's not required because each and every beans available in Spring is exposed to the Flex as you want. Next. So this is how the example works. The example, what are all the extra things you have to add to have this Spring with Blaze.ds integration. So here we have the dispatcher servlet. It is fully inside the jar files which Spring source have provided. That dispatcher servlet has to be done like this way. These are the default configurations which you can modify in the case. And this calls the Flex servlet context.xml. That's the servlet which is going to expose whatever beans you require to be exposed. And this maps Spring/store whatever request to the server made with, for example, it is if it's a localhost /spring/ whatever you enter, it will communicate this Spring Flex servlet name, that is this one, and this is exposed to this XML. That XML is going to be the list of beans to be exposed to be called by the Flex. Next. So this is that same Flex servlet context XML. A list of namespaces, no need of those to be explained. And here we have the base package. That means that particular package is nothing but as we have in AS3, same way. Package is just a folder structure, which folder structure has to be scanned for detecting the list of beans. Here, this is the folder structure which has to be scanned, and this is the message broker which handles the request from Flex. And this is the remoting destination. As we saw the myAMF there, like that, sorry, not the myAMF. In his example, there was the destination ID. Yeah, that has been this one, person DAO. DAO means data abstraction object. DAO is the common string, common name used for data abstraction object inside the Java. DAOs, what they do is, it